Hello everyone, welcome to YouTube. Welcome. So it had been a minute since I haven't done a video, maybe like a week. For me it's not typical because I was posting like 2 to 3 times a week, but my schedule changed and I got super busy. So right now this is the schedule that fits me. For now I have to squeeze in a little bit of video time in my daily life. So yeah, you guys, but at least you guys will get one video per week for now, if not more, because I'm adjusting to my new schedule. So anyways, sorry, enough about the talking about like my life so early in the video. So today we're gonna be talking about the week 4 expenses for the month of August. And you guys, August is literally like almost out the door, which is crazy, but yeah, it has gone so fast. So we are on the last week, almost the last week, because we got a few days till September. So I'll go over from August 20th to August 27th. Okay, so for those that don't know me, welcome. If you are new to my channel, my name is Lucy and I am a mom, a cash stuffer. I'm also a business woman as well as an Etsy seller and much more. Anyways, welcome to my channel. Welcome. I am glad that you are here. Stick around because if you like this kind of channels, if you like this kind of content, I put out a lot of content, as I was saying in the beginning of my video, at least once a week, if not more. So without further ado, let's go ahead and get started. So on the 20th, we went ahead and spent $50 on Gianni's school supplies. Gianni is my son, for those that don't know me. He is 4 years old and he started preschool. And the preschool that he goes, it's only for like about 2 to 3 hours. And he didn't need that much supplies. He just needed like a few things. So $50 was enough, thank God. So that was on Sunday the 20th. And actually he started the 21st, which was Monday. And then on the 21st, I went ahead and spent $12 on coffee and something else. Not sure if it was only for me or for the kids as well. So that was that. That was $12 for coffee. And then on the 22nd, we went ahead and went grocery shopping. Like I had mentioned on the last video, we had been eating out quite often that last week. Not this week, but the last, the one before this one. So we needed groceries, and I ran to the store, to Aldi's, and I bought $164.29 of groceries for Aldi's that day. And then the 23rd, sorry guys, it looks like it was a no spend day, you guys, so that was awesome. I don't think I can expand my screen, but I'm sure you guys can see it. So hooray for a no spend day. This month, like I have been saying throughout the month, has been so busy with my husband's birthday, with everything going on, like with a lot of birthday parties and things like that. So I'm thankful that August is gonna be over. So on, like I was saying, on the 24th, it was actually my husband's birthday. So I had been saying on the video that I was gonna treat him with some Starbucks, which I did. So we started the day. I bought some Starbucks coffee. Well, not coffee, it was a frappuccino for him, and then cheese I think it was a cheese Danish what I got him. So I got that for him, and then I also got some coffee for me and a cheese Danish. So it was $20 that day. And then I went to McDonald's that same after Starbucks, and I bought my kids something. It was in the morning, so I bought them like some breakfast because it was after I got out of work. So I still got breakfast for them, and then brought the breakfast over. And then for dinner, we did take my husband to B-Dubs, which was $70 because it was my husband, me, and the kids, the two kids, and then my older son joined us. So it was $70 for eat out. So that was my husband's birthday on Thursday. But on Friday, we actually had like a little birthday bash here at the house with his family and a little bit of my family and his closest friends. So let's see what I spent on the 25th, which was Friday. I spent $50 on plates, cups, and like all those things that you need for like a party. So I spent $50. And then I spent $100. Sorry, I spent $100 on some food that I catered for the party. His family was and my family actually was very nice to bring us a plate. Well, not a plate, but obviously a dish. And there was a lot of food. So the only thing that I had to cater was it's like a Mexican dish. It's called mole. And it's like chicken and with like sauce. It was very good, by the way, and it came with rice. So that's what I had. That's what I spent that day. And then on the 26th, which was Saturday, the only thing that we spent on was gas, and that was $50. We couldn't go to Sam's, so we spent $50 at another gas station. So that was Saturday. And then the 27th, which was yesterday, my son actually got a little bit sick. He started running a fever Saturday morning or Friday night. No, it was Saturday morning. So I ended up going to Walgreens and getting some like wipes for his nose, and because he had a little bit of a runny nose, and something else I got, so it was $10. We stocked up on medicine, thank God, last time, just because they do get sick often when they go back to school. So we had that ready, and thank God he's actually feeling better today. We stopped giving him medicine. The last dose that we gave him was in the morning before I left to work, like 5 in the morning. And since then, we haven't given him anything, and he seems fine, running around back to himself. So thank God for that. So that wraps up the weekly budget for that. I believe it was number 3, or that was 1, 2, 3. It's actually week 4 of the month. So let me go ahead and add up. Let's see if I can add this up without pausing this video and kind of chat with you guys. If not, we'll just pause the video and come back. So for Gianni's supplies was $50. Hold on, let me see if I can change this thing for a bit, just so that I can kind of see the amount. Hopefully, yeah, okay. All right, perfect. So I can see all the amounts. So let's go ahead. Oh, actually, you know what? I don't even have to do that because I'll just calculate it from here. Here we go. Oh, but this is all the whole month, you guys. Yeah, no, that's not gonna work. That'll be good for for my next video, which will be the August closeout, but not for this specific one because I need to see what the expense for the whole week. So let me go ahead and pause this video just so that I can go to each category and see how much I spent. Alrighty, you guys, so I have the total, which was $546.29 for the month. I keep saying for the month. For the month of August, only week 4. So that's what it was, 546 and 29, which was a little bit high, but we did have a lot of expenses as far as like my husband's birthday and all that. So I think it's fine. I will tell you this. This month I actually did overspend a little bit. Yeah, I mean, I anticipated having a busy month. I mean, it is what it is. We'll keep working on it. On September, however, we have a lot of things going on as well. So let's see how we do for September, because we got a lot of things going on, and that's mostly like my kids' baptism, which would be at the end of September. So we'll still have to budget for that, because we get paid once a month. So I do already have the budget for the month of September. Well, the not the actual budget, just like the preliminary one, I call it. So I will go over the budget next on my next video, as well as go over everything that we spent, that is right here, and I have all my expenses here. So since I think since the beginning of this month, I have been talking about this update that I did, which is great and a lifesaver and blah blah blah. So you guys will actually know about it next, in the next video. If you already don't know this platform, you will get to see a little bit more of it. So far, I'm loving it, and it's great. If you know what it is, comment down below and tell me which one it is. But yeah, you guys, I think that is all for today. I will show you guys a few things that I have on my Etsy shop that are new. Let's see. So I added this tracker, and this is mostly for people that want to save up for anything manly related, I would say. Like, for example, my husband has been wanting a John Deere ride-on lawnmower for the longest, since we lived in the in our other home, because the yard was like massive. This house has a big yard, but it's not as big as the other one, but we still pay, you know, like a landscaping company to come every other week to do our landscaping, and that is expensive. So I figure, you know, instead of paying the landscaping company this winter, we should put, you know, whatever we usually pay, and then we'll be able to have enough money for the John Deere lawnmower, which is like $3,000. So this is gonna have to be big quantities, and I will start this soon. And then I also have another binder that I just did. Give me a second here. So, and I'm not gonna take it off the wrapper just because my hands are like, I just put lotion on it, and these binders get dirty so fast. So yeah, this is another Grinch, and this is actually packaged and ready to go. If I receive an order, I'll, you know, package it and send it right away. So this is, it says resting Grinch face, and the tab is like on its way, on the way, but it says resting Grinch face, and then it has the you know, the Grinch face right in the back. So this is a binder that it comes by itself. It doesn't come with any envelopes or anything. So yeah, so go ahead and check out my Etsy store. What else do I have? Oh, I do have some let me get them, some little IOUs that I created, which I think I'm gonna use a lot, because I since I'm getting the hang of my budget, I do tend to kind of borrow money, and then at the end of, or at the beginning of the month when I get paid, I put it back, which works for me. So these are 2 IOUs. It's a Barbie inspired, so you'll get to put, you know, what you used it for, the date if you want. I think I just put August, because I mean, it's clear enough that I get paid monthly, so I don't really have to put like exactly the date. You can though. And then the amount, so $20 I borrowed from savings challenge, and then this one church for August, and then I borrowed $80. So these are, I believe I have the size on the Etsy store, but yeah, they're very small and they can go in your they're reusable obviously, and they can go in your savings trackers, or in your envelopes. All right, so that is that. Let me see if I have anything else to show you guys while I'm here in my envelope. I'm not sure if I have already showed you guys. Oh, never mind, I can't get to this one. Never mind, you guys. So yeah, I will go ahead and put like a screenshot of my most recent postings that I have posted on Etsy, so you can get an idea. A lot more to come. There's gonna be a lot of Disney. Obviously, I love Disney and I love to just create Mickey. That has been our family theme for the longest, since I remember. For my little boy, he's 4, we had our baby shower theme. His first, when he was born, was Mickey. His theme, his pictures were Mickey. His first birthday was Mickey. My little girl, when she was born, we had a little, like a little Mickey outfit, their first outfit. We just love Disney, and I'm gonna keep creating Disney because I know a lot of people love Disney as well. Also Grinch, I have a lot of more binders to come for Christmas. I do have a lot of saving trackers that are in the process. They just need to be finished up for Halloween, for Christmas, and a lot more. So be on the lookout for that. I will go ahead and upload next week. If not, actually no, not next week. Today's Monday, so probably by the end of the week everything will be in Etsy. So yeah, you guys, that is all for today. It is a short video, but I enjoy coming here telling you guys what's going on with my life. I hope everyone's doing great. I will catch up with a lot of videos from you guys and comment and give you guys support as soon as I can. So yeah, that is all for today. Thank you so much for joining me, and I will see you guys next time. Bye.